Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a house tour of my Bloxburg house. And guys, this is actually a very special video because yesterday I was working literally all day on this house, and that's why I couldn't film yesterday because I don't know what to stall you guys with. And also, guys, you might be very surprised for this first ever build. This is the first ever build I actually did in Bloxburg because now I'm actually learning how to build. And yeah. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you could be notified whenever I do a video. Now it's time to start my house tour. So guys, as you walk in, you see little gates and you see a little blue pathway, and my whole entire house is blue because it's my favorite color, of course. Now as we head inside, you head inside to a bunch of lights because this house is pretty big and needs a bunch of lights. And yeah, so now as you see, these are two of the first rooms, and I think these rooms are kind of surprising, but we're gonna do this row first because on that row and the last one is a pretty big surprise. Anyways, now as you walk into this room, you see the kitchen where you could cook, where you could sit down, wait for your food, or you can also cook things. You could take stuff from the fridge, if you know what I mean. And they have a little microwave that you cook things in, like hot cocoa, and then you could also blend things. So yeah. Oh man, okay. And you can also blend things here and also cook your Pop-Tarts if you want to. And then this is the counter where you could cook things on. And I left a little hamburger because I was eating just now. And then this is where you could wash your dishes, and you know what I mean. And yeah, so that is the kitchen, the whole kitchen thing. And now onto the next room, which is where everyone has to go every day. Actually, no lie, you actually have to go every day, but it's kind of disgusting. Anyway, who's joining me? What? I don't even know. I saw like some friends thing up here. I don't even know. What? That's so weird. Okay, now this is the bathroom, and this is where the sink. You can wash your hands, brush your teeth, and take a glass of water. So you take mouthwash, a glass of water. That's what I normally use a glass of water for, mouthwash. And if you guys want to see how I use a glass of water as mouthwash, I'll show you guys that later on. And also there's a little toilet and toilet paper, which you could use. And they also have a shower. Carly actually did these showers for me. So yeah, thanks a lot. Thank you a lot, Carly. And yeah, again, light problem. 2 lights. Sorry. Now, on to the next room, which is my room, my favorite room. Also, I need to change the walls of my room because, of course, I need to match with my favorite colors. And, yeah. So, also, it's going to be, fantastic. So, let's open this up. Now, this is the bed. My bed, really. You could sleep on it. And also, if you feel like watching TV and not sleeping, you could just use a little TV remote, turn on, and then like change channels, you know what I mean, and turn it back off. And I have to make this bed now, but whatever, we're gonna do that later. And this is where you can also dress. You could dress over here, or you could dress over there, or somewhere, and also you can look at your beautiful faces, because all of you guys are beautiful. Everyone's beautiful. Don't let anyone say that you're ugly, because you're not ugly. You're beautiful. Now, so you want to see the backyard? I don't think you guys should see the back here. Where's it gonna go? Are there around the house, and the next room is. Wait 1 minute, guys. Hey guys, I'm back, and I just have to fix a little charging problem. So I have house bills. Seriously, I'm literally running out of money. I need to go work. I don't remember this video. Anyways, now this is the guest room. One light only, because you don't need that much. I want to add a TV in here, but then I was like, is that really necessary? It's like, nah, I'm just gonna leave it. This is a nice room where you can put your stuff in. And you can also sleep. And also, yeah, that's all the guest room. Now let's move on to the other room, which is a twins room. Yeah, I don't need to have twins, but this is the baby room, you could call it. Yesterday I was role playing and I forgot to make a bed. So we're gonna do that. But then they also have little toys you could play with, like this little cute little kitty and this cute good puss. I'm so sorry I'm reading these factors. And this cute little car. And yeah, it's so cute, and I really like it. And then we have little twins beds where you could sleep on, or like if you wanna like go and climb and role play and stuff. And this little nightstand. I'm not sure if they need it, but if they do open it, they have baby supplies in there that they could take if they want. So yeah. And this is the surprise room I've been waiting to show you guys later. Okay, so I'll give you a hint. I don't think. Okay, it has something to do with what I like the most. It's like the things you do in summer, which you can't do right now. So the beach could reopen, but the can't. Okay, that's a very interesting clue, guys. Okay, comment down your clue right now. I'll give you guys a few seconds. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guess it? Okay. Now, if you guess pool, you are right. And this is one of my favorite things to ever do in the summer, but they cannot reopen it. So I was going to have to use bloxburg pools. I get off my swimming lessons. I don't actually have swimming lessons, but I teach myself how to swim. Yeah. And also, you could get a neutral tan from the light. You just, you look up at the light, you just imagine all the beautiful things. Okay, off. Okay, next room, which is the living room. You guys been seeing the living room a lot lately. And so actually someone moved my TV to all the way over here. I'm not sure if it was Carly but I don't think Carly moved anything. But I also think this is the girl I was role playing with, because when I left the game, my house could still be spawned for like 5 seconds or so. And they could tamper with my house, but it's whatever. Now, this is the living room where you could watch TV. That little TV in front of you, you click on it, change channels, turn off. Now we're gonna turn it off because I want to save my bills. I don't like paying bills, okay? Wait, really? Am I really hungry? I literally try to boost my mode for this video, but it's not even getting it. Anyways, now, on to the next room, which is, guys, this is like a little she shed where I keep all my prized possessions, and you guys can't see it yet, but what do you think it's in there? Okay, so, look, you guys can take a little peek. Ooh, peek. And, yeah, that was actually a huge peek, but, it's a garden. I try not to go in here as much, but I get notifications that it needs watering and all that type of stuff. So this is actually my most prized possession plant, and also the cactus, because if you sell them, they're actually worth a bunch of money. Yeah, that's probably how I'm gonna make money now, because now I'm a cheapskate. And that's basically my whole bloxburg house, guys. I'm not sure if I could try to get on the roof for y'all, but nah, not working. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's my bloxburg house, and I hope you guys like it and enjoyed it. Also, make sure to... This doesn't even seem right. A minute. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye! And also, comment how you rate my whole house and which room is your favorite. For all the rooms, I think my favorite rooms was the bathroom and my room, because I pretty think this build was a nice build, and I also like the backyard a lot. But what do you guys think? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, turn on this post notification. Comment down which room you like and how would you rate my house out of 10. Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all all next time. Goodbye!